Hey babe, can you take a look at my wipers? I think they're starting to get a little shot. You do it.
So what are we doing?
What?
So what are we doing?
Changing windshield wipers.
How?
With one finger.
Okay. How?
You do it.
Well?
Do it. Put them on.
Put them on?
Put them on.
They're on. You need a hint? First, you lift up the wiper. You're supposed to be doing it with
Look
one
how
finger.
fucked up these things are. Oh shit.
Not much of a wiper left, huh?
Break those suckers off?
Break them off? I don't think that would do. I'm just curious though, how?
Oh shit.
There's a push tab in here. Pull tab or something. And what does this do? Slide off. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh boy. Go. What's the next one? I feel like this one is too big.
Oh my god.
Which is weird because
You said you knew what you were ordering.
yeah, because Amazon says what if it's an exact fit, for example. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Because Amazon will tell you if it fits the vehicle or not.
Well, Amazon sometimes fucking lies.
If that's the case, I think
I'm suing.
Yeah, this one I think is gonna be right.
I can't have one windshield wiper
I know.
in this dreary weather.
If I could somehow get this out of the
Horrible
box,
weather.
that'd be swell.
I can get out of the box.
How many things? Okay, I guess these are just adapters. Well, so we know this one's correct. Now, how on earth does this work? Okay. What is this alien technology? Oh my god, there's actually a lot of steps. Oh, okay.
Why do you think I gave us so much time? This will take 5 minutes.
In theory, it should.
I swear, if one of these flies off,
Why would it fly off?
I don't know. You've seen dog leashes fly on the highway. I don't know. This seems a bit more likely than that. So you said that every car has a face.
Yeah.
Shit. I can't tell if baby looks happy or pissed. She's got a beauty mark. Aww.
Oh, there we go. I just required a little bit of force is all.
Don't hurt baby.
That's one. Why do they package these things like this? Oh my goodness. They're so difficult to get out of the box.
This isn't really educational at all.
What do you mean?
You're not explaining how to do it or anything.
Well,
You put it on.
you lift the tab. For this particular wiper anyway. You lift the tab. There's this little hook here and it slides onto here, so then you just basically take this. You slide it on. Push it with a little bit of force. Clamp it down.
Wow.
And there you go.
Good job.
Would you like some tree bark?
No. You've assaulted me.
And
I'm filing
now-
for divorce.
Goddamn Protestants.
Fucking Catholics.
And now you just clean up to be friendly to the planet and stuff.
You. Get it.
Don't push me.
You said one finger.
I can give you one finger right now. Does your feeling hurt?
Dare you?
Okay, so you've changed your windshield wipers
Boom.
without even touching them. So,
Yeah.
want to tell the audience anything? Go ahead. I'm gonna go throw these out.
What am I supposed to tell them?
I don't know. It's your video.
We're pregnant.
Look, babe, you have new wipers.
Thank you.
How did those get on there? Huh? I wonder.
I put them on myself.